Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video, 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. You then need to remove the front mudguard on the right-hand side to access the belt accessories. To do this, unscrew the screws with the Torx T27 spanner. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor and sometimes the water pump. Using a 16mm spanner, slacken the belt by lifting the tensioner using the indentation on the tensioner. At the same time, remove the belt. When you are changing the drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley. Use a metal pin. Using a 16mm eye-bolt spanner, slacken the tensioner pulley and secure it by threading the pin through the tensioner so that you can access the top screw. Using a ratchet and an M10 socket, loosen the 2 screws holding the tensioner pulley. Once released, remove them and then remove the tensioner pulley.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. With the new tensioner pulley in place, you can pre-install the screw and socket to make reinstallation easier. Put the new tensioner pulley in place. Screw it back in with a socket wrench. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. Using the ratchet and a 15mm socket, loosen the tensioner pulley using the indentation and remove the locking pin. Take the new drive belt. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all of the pulleys. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in. Then, you can put the wheel back on your vehicle and put it back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.